This is a 99 f350 dually. And I started getting exhaust smell pretty bad inside the cab. I've checked out my up pipes. They are both solid. And I was looking this over a little bit more and noticed the sootiness on the clamp that's back there. Right in there, you can see the black on the clamp. And then this thing stays focused. You'll be able to see the sootiness on the side of the turbo as well. Nowhere else is sooty black from exhaust. So I'm assuming that's the only exhaust leak I have. Turbo wheel is has a very minute little bit of play, but since I'm pulling it to see what to do about the clamp back there, I am going to go ahead and most likely rebuild the turbo. Depends on who has what locally today. So yeah, anyways, that's what I'm dealing with. I've owned the truck for going on in between 8 to 9 years. So, and this is other than like brakes and a couple wheel bearings, that's the only thing I've ever had to do to the truck. So yeah, anyways, that's what I'm doing. That's where I'm at.